This video is going to be on Coferb. Coferb is made by Hanukun Pharmaceuticals, and these cough drops have 20 ml of liquid in it. It has ivy leaf extract. Ivy leaf extract is used for cough relieving. It liquefies and removes mucus. It improves breathing. The ivy has been used to treat respiratory conditions such as asthma, bronchitis, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, inflammation, arthritis. It is anti-inflammatory, anti-arthritic and antioxidant. Its properties are anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antispasmodic, antimicrobial, anti-tumor. It helps by removing toxins from the body. It tightens and strengthens blood vessels. It reduces allergies. It modulates enzymes to help your body. The dosage for this medicine for a child who is between 6 months and 5 years, it's 12 to 14 drops 3 times a day. It contains a natural herbal extract of ivy leaf, and it is specially formulated for supporting and restoring normal respiratory functions. It has expectorating, cough relieving and soothing properties, and these benefits have been documented and proved. The price for one bottle is 195 rupees, and I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.